Beautiful, beautiful day. Guess what, guys? We're out here today trying to drop off some package at the post office for our zip mail customers. Yes, we do have customers that receive packages via the post office, and the product that we use from the post office is called zip mail. Zip mail, I tell you, is not snail mail. Yes, I got jokes. Zip mail is not snail mail. So this is how it works. Yes. So zip mail, as I say, is not snail mail. This is how it works. So some of you guys live out in more remote areas. For instance, like St. Thomas, where we do not have Knutsford Express. So that way now, what I do, I send your packages via the post office. Now this product allows you to, I give you a tracking number. You can go on Jamaica Post and track your package just like you would with other services that we present. And this works just fine for you. You get your package the following day or the day after. Zip mail is for persons in remote areas. You can use zip mail. Don't worry about it. We got you. Zip mail.
Yard abroad. You have been watching our videos. You are talking. You've been watching our videos, but you have not created a free shipping account as yet. What are you waiting for? It is free to create, and you can do it in half the time that you take to watch this video. Did you know that you can ship your items to Jamaica straight to your doorstep for like 25% what a FedEx or a DHL will cost you? Go ahead, click the link in the description box below, create your free account today. Do it! We're in the streets!